If Clipchamp is giving you a license error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by the wrong account, a temporary browser problem, or a simple sign-in glitch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to refresh Clipchamp, check your account, sign out and sign back in, and clear your browser data if needed. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp in your browser. Once it loads, the very first thing to try is refreshing the page. Sometimes the license error appears because the session didn't load correctly, and a simple refresh can fix it right away. After that, check that you're signed into the correct account. This is really important because Clipchamp licenses are tied to the Microsoft account you're currently using. If you're signed into the wrong email or a personal account instead of a work or school account, Clipchamp may show a license or access error even if everything else is working fine. So take a moment to verify the account shown in the top corner or in your browser sign-in area. If the account looks incorrect, switch to the proper one before moving on. If refreshing didn't solve it and the account is correct, the next step is to sign out and sign back in again. This often resets the session and clears up authentication problems. To do that, go to your profile, choose sign out, and then sign in again using the same correct Microsoft account. Make sure you complete the full sign-in process and allow any prompts that appear. In many cases, this simple sign out and sign in cycle is enough to remove the license warning and restore access to Clipchamp. If you still see the issue, the next step is to check whether you need to buy Microsoft 365. In some setups, Clipchamp requires a plan to unlock certain premium features or to connect with your account properly. So if the top menu shows a Buy Microsoft 365 option, click it and review the available plan. If your workflow depends on premium features, this may be the step that resolves the license problem completely. But if you were expecting free access, don't buy anything yet until you've confirmed that the issue isn't just a login or browser problem. Another very effective fix is clearing your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can interfere with Clipchamp sign-in and cause license errors to appear even when your account is valid. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy, and then select Clear Browsing Data. From there, clear the cached files and cookies, then restart your browser and open Clipchamp again. This forces the website to load fresh account data instead of using outdated information that may be triggering the error. If the page still doesn't work after clearing data, try repeating the sign out and sign in step once more because the browser may need a clean session after the cache is removed. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the problem. Refreshing the page, checking the correct account, signing out and back in, buying the proper Microsoft 365 plan if needed, and clearing cache and cookies are the main steps that can fix a Clipchamp license error fast. If one step doesn't work, move to the next one in order, because the issue is often a combination of account and browser data rather than a major software problem. Once Clipchamp opens normally again, you should be able to continue editing with no interruption. I hope this helped you fix the Clipchamp license error quickly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.